Hello guys, hope you all are fine today. Today our topic is very special for those people who got banned by TikTok and who face again and again suspension issues in TikTok agency account or TikTok simple ads account. Okay, today I will give you a very good solution for that. So let's get started. Okay, we have two options as a solution of suspension of TikTok agency ads account. First solution is you can buy warm up account. Warm up account means pending account, the account which is already used by someone else and already spent some amount of dollars in that account. Okay, just I will show you some accounts that I have. I have a lot of account, but I will show you like 4 to 5 accounts that I have. Okay, if you want any account, you can reach me out on WhatsApp. I will deal you. Okay, and the other solution is that you can take reinstate account. Reinstate account is one of the strongest account in my thoughts. Okay, it's because in reinstate account we will active your first ad for you, then we will provide you. Okay, it's mean the first ad is guaranteed ad. Okay, if account is got banned in first ad, we will refund you or replace you. Okay, replace account for you. Okay, let's talk about third solution. Third solution is that what if we run ads for you, we take some percentage as our profit. Okay, and we will run your ads, and this is without any problem, without any suspension issues. We will just run your ads for you and take our percentage. Okay, if you want any type of account, anything from us, you just contact us on WhatsApp. We will explain you all things like detail in informatively. Okay, and if you need like a new account or any account without text, without VAT worldwide targeting account, we will also provide that kind of accounts. Okay, just reach me out on the WhatsApp number that is given below on the screen. Okay, uh, okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you can like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.